Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend with an unboxing of the Asus Vivobook OLED version 15. This one is called the K513. It comes in quite a few different configurations, also with the Intel i3 and AMD's. Mine is the Intel i5 with the 11th gen processor in it. I want you to write what your use case is down in the comments so we can get an idea as to who this computer is actually aimed at or who is thinking about buying it. So let's unbox. I love unboxings. This is the swine. Let's do this. Let's just take a quick look at the package around the sides here. Oh, there's a hell of a lot of serial numbers here. Wi-Fi VLAN 6, and that's actually pretty cool because my old computer also had a very fast VLAN inside of it, the Asus Vivobook also. It's a fast Wi-Fi you get with this computer, and I want to take this into use. Can you see me? Yeah, you can see just about what it's all about. There. Ooh. Oh, it opens up like a complete package, this one. Okay. Let's do this. Ooh. Wow. Okay, what does it say? Let's just take this one first off. I think it's, yeah. So it comes with this 65 watt charger. It's actually exactly the same as was with my old Vivobook, I think, or very much like it. So with this kind of socket. So that's pretty neat. It doesn't charge, it's not that heavy brick you get with the Lenovo Legion 5 or anything. And take a look at this, it's the funny thing. In search of incredibles. It also said that on my old Vivobook, and that unboxing I really never got to publish for, you know, it just became obsolete before I had a chance to make it as a video. But let's have a look inside of this, see what else we got. So it's just a computer. Let's just have a quick look at the box and see if there's anything else we want to take out of this while we are here. Yeah, there's some leaflets over here on the left side. In search of incroyable. Ooh, what's this? Let's just take
I've invited Caroline to come and talk about
what is this? Be inspired. I am inspired. That's why I'm your tech friend, you know. Oh, so this is a little... Ooh, how cool is this? This is to decorate your new Asus. This is actually pretty cool. Take a look at all of these. I'll just take a picture of all of them together so you can have a closer look. That is really, really fun, I think. Be true. Oh yeah, why not? I mean, instead of lying, always be true, right? And that's a big A. Oh, now I see. So it's Asus, well, something like that. What is that? That's it. Ooh, I think that's even a tattoo. How cool is this? Asus Vivobook tattoo. Wow. I had not seen this coming. I said, you can decorate your computer with all of these small stickers. That's pretty cool. I really like this, actually. So if you're going to include leaflets and stuff, make sure there's something fun in it also, as this one had. This is very, very funny, you know. Makes people look, makes people laugh. What's not to like about it?
My name is Caroline, and I endorse this computer.
And then you have user guide, warranty card. And what is this? My Asus, everything you need from a perfect PC experience. So, whatever. What we have in this little sleeve. My guess is it will be a computer. Again, you have this sticker theme going through. Though it's only like a lay-in sort of leaflet. But still, it's very cool. Amazing true-to-life colors. Asus OLED, 100%. That's the thing I want to talk about later. 100% DCI-P3 certified. It's Pantone validated, and it's 133 sRGB on this computer. It's insane. So that means this is a very color accurate machine. High contrast, 1:1 million. Low blue light, 70% reduced blue light emission from this screen. That's also really something that talks to me because I have a tendency to get headaches. So that's really cool for me. And also eye care, low blue light, hardware solution, flicker free. Okay, so this, and I also just would like to say, let's just open this up. Okay, let's do this. So it's just like, well, and there you have this one. Let's take a good look at it. Okay, so let me just run you through the sockets on this computer. All the fun things are actually on the right side of the computer, where you have micro SD card reader, 3.5mm jack. Then you have USB-C, and you have the fast USB-A port here, the 3.2 and you have an HDMI cable, and you have the power outlet. On the other side, you only got two 2.0 USB-A ports. I'm not gonna open my computer right now, but if you want to expand your computer with some memory, it's got soldered onto its motherboard 8 GB of internal storage that you can expand with another 8 GB of RAM, so you can come up to the maximum of 16 GB of RAM. The i5 version here. On the i4, it's only up to 12 megabytes or even 8, some places I've read. If you want to know exactly what RAM you should buy to pair the built-in RAM, then I'll leave a link in the description down here. And it comes with 512 gigabytes of internal NVMe SSD storage, and it's also expandable with a 2.5 SATA hard disk inside of it. So it has some options to expand, but not to the level of the Lenovo Legions and stuff. And now you can't see it because I haven't turned it on, but it has this backlit Chicklet keyboard. This is not noisy at all. It's the very same click you get from this touchpad, no doubt about it. And of course I would have loved this one to be in this stunning color also. But this one just burned down on me. Exactly 3 years this one got me, and then it just all of a sudden didn't want to boot or nothing, and there was some kind of fault on the motherboard preventing it from charging, so that's now a dead computer. Of course, another thing I really would like Asus to do is just to make this the enter button way bigger as it's normally supposed to be. That would be just be so sweet. This is gonna type very well, and it's not gonna annoy anyone sitting beside of you. So this is very cool, and also will light up in the dark. And finally, let's talk about the screen. As you can see, it's a glossy screen, which makes it easier prone to reflections. But it's a 15.6 inch full HD 1920 by 1080p, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, 0.2 milliseconds of response time. It goes up to 600 nits of brightness. Let me just fire this all the way. Well, it's all the way up now. So this is the brightest, and let's just go all the way down. And there was actually a problem I have heard about on YouTube already. When you hit that like middle ground of brightness, you can see the stripes there. The flickering you see, you cannot see in real life unless you got some like kind of lizard eyes. I've not been able to see this flickering in real life. But let's just have a quick look at these viewing angles. You can see what they claim is actually true. If you notice the right side of the screen, it is like this purple and keeps the purple color almost no matter what way I turn the screen. And it should be the same when I put the brightness levels up and down. Well, it's not there. It's not able to record it, that's for sure. So, but it keeps the color accuracy longer than an LCD screen. You will almost certainly get OLED burning down here at the taskbar, or if you got any other static picture you're working a lot in. Some of the elements, if you're always editing in Premiere Pro and stuff, then this computer will make those OLED burns. Okay, that's why I think the price of $833 is right. That's what I paid here on sale in Denmark, and that's actually cheap here in Denmark because prices are just high. So I bought it for that price, knowing that it's gonna only last me 2, max 3 years. So I will be happy for that. My use case scenario is as a secondary device for my Mac Mini with the M1 chip in it, by the way. And it's got 16 gigs of internal storage. So I'll use this as sort of a couch editing computer, you know, for light work, Photoshop, thumbnails, light Premiere Pro video editing. And of course to watch YouTube. I'm editing all my YouTube videos right now on this one, but it may also become some of them from this one in the future. And therefore, I am returning this Lenovo Legion 5 that weighs 2.5 kilos. I've just tested the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro one that also weighs 2.6 kilos. And I'll tell you what, it's like a brick right down in your leg with its sharp edges and that extra oomph to it. So I'm very, very happy for the Asus Vivobook's 1.8 kilograms. I'm looking so much forward to this. Remember to write your use case scenario down in the comments. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll see you in the next one.